Good day everyone. Okay, so this is a VW 9N Polo. As you can see, it is the small 1.4 3-cylinder diesel key. Problem with the car at the moment is switch on the car, switch on the lights. As you can see, the brights is on. If I switch off the brights, doesn't switch off. If you play a little bit with the switch, little bit goes off, but goes on immediately again. So we're gonna open and see what's going on here. Okay, so everything else is working, only the brights that's the problem. This switch is definitely at fault. Got a new one. Looking very good. In. Clip must go down. Why don't you want to go in now? There we go. Clip. Then we just need the Allen key. For the clamp. Oh yeah, I already stripped it. I'll show as I go back. Yeah, so by the way, I'm here doing my job. Thinking maybe I must make a few YouTube videos. Sometimes I'm looking for something and I can't seem to find it. Let's see how it goes. This is my first one. On my phone. Don't have any fancy gadgets and stuff. So this is a slip ring, clock spring. Some people call it different stuff. Oh yeah, there was someone before me here. I could see some broken stuff. Someone probably tried to strip it or fix it. I don't know. Don't know what they were doing. Broke some clips and stuff. Very nice. Yeah, so this car has a little bit of voodoo here underneath. Don't think I must show that on camera. Just try and put it back the way it was. That's making life a little bit difficult because it has strings and pockets and stuff here. Making it difficult for me to put back this clip, not like other cars that goes in very easy. I don't know if you can see the stringy thingies here. I don't say don't try something, but if you don't know what you're doing, just at least don't break it. Okay. So then it's supposed to have 2 screws here. Only gonna put the one because this one cover is broken. It's gonna be useless. Very dark today. Now then there's another screw here at the bottom. I'll put that one in last. You see now it's a little bit loose here, which is nothing I can really do about now. And then this one just clips in like that. There's a type of a slider thingy there. It's in. Let's see this side. There we go. There we go. And then here's the rest of the ropey that I talked about. That's making life a little bit difficult for me here. Oh, this will be gone because it needs a screw underneath. Okay. Oh, then the steering wheel. Spline tool. Airbag unit, plucking, goes in like that. Other way around, goes in like that, and then this is the locking pin that must go in to lock it. Okay, so this airbags actually comes off very easy if you know how. From the back of the steering wheel, you can press it in that way. I'm not going to do it now, I'm just going to show you somewhere from this side. This clip must just be pushed that way, and then you will see here it clips there. If you press your screwdriver in from the back, then it will basically come from here, and you just reach it a little bit and it pops out. That's where the springs is for. So yeah, and putting it back, you just push it in. Okay, so let's see if it is working. Lights, bright is off, bright, on. Indicators, and perfect. Thank you very much.